What do you call a boat that goes from A to B to A to B? And that's all it does. That part of the bicycle that joins your hands together. What is it called? What sort of vocabulary do we find on a little island? Let's find out. Hi guys, welcome back. You might have noticed that we are not in a classroom today. We are on, which is technically not an island. It is called Bangkok, and it is known as the green lung of Bangkok because it is a massive green area. But you might also notice that it is raining a little bit and it is very hot and humid. And I could really go for a cold glass bottle of Coke. Now that's nice, and I do need the sugar today, but I am squinting, so I need my sunglasses. That's better. So hopefully this rain will end soon. I'm going to finish my Coke. I'm going to grab my bicycle, and let's go. Okay, today I have help filming today. This is my friend Shaun from his channel, Shaun Doing Stuff. Introduce yourself.
Yeah, hi Dave. Hi everyone. My name's Shaun. I have a channel called Shaun Doing Stuff where I talk about life here in Bangkok. We're going to cycle around Bangkok together. Come along with us.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Wait, you went the wrong way. So today we are cycling around Bangkok. Cycling being a verb, the verb to cycle. And this is a bicycle or a bike. Now we have the seat or the saddle, and these two bits where you put your hand, this is called the handlebars. And in the front we have the basket. At the back here we have the stand that allows it to stand up by itself, and these parts here that you use to pedal are called pedals. So they are pedals, nouns. Pedal, to pedal, is the verb. So let's start cycling. Okay guys, this is a canal, or in Thailand they call it a klong. This one has been man-made for irrigation. You can see the wooden bits along the side, which feeds all of these plantations that grows all of the crops. So this is a canal. A little bit of random vocabulary today. How do we get about in Bangkok? We use a tuk-tuk. But unfortunately, this one is nearly going to kill me. This one is not good enough, and I do not want to get in there because Teacher David does not like spiders. So here we are, a tuk-tuk or a taxi. So I don't know if you can hear, but it has started raining very heavily. That is thunder and lightning. Thunder being the loud booming noise that you hear, and the lightning is the bit that you see. So we stopped at this lovely Thai restaurant for some refreshments. Cafe, coffee shop, restaurant, refreshments. We have some lovely Thai food. We have some soup, and I have a little dessert, and we have some water and some Coke Zero. What do you think, Shaun? How is it?
It's really good. We're having slow cooked pork knuckle with white rice. They've given us a hard-boiled egg as well. There's some Thai pickle, a little bit of vegetable. Very, very delicious. Oh, and it comes with a little bowl of soup.
I was going to say, the soup is lovely. Is that a little bit of, is that potato?
No, I don't think it is. I think it's pumpkin. Or yes, it's melon. It's a type of melon.
Oh, the rice is nice.
Right, the food's delicious.
The pork just melts. We'll finish this. We'll wait for the rain to end. We'll get back on our bicycles and we will do some more vocabulary. See you later. Okay guys, we had a lovely lunch at this wonderful restaurant. Thai people were very friendly as always. And before we go, an idiom. let's hit the road. So let's go. Okay guys, we have stopped at this beautiful location here. Can you remember what this is called? That's right, this is a canal. And this is lush. That refers to the vegetation. The vegetation is big, full-bodied and very green. So this vegetation is lush, probably due to the water from the canal. Although you wouldn't want to swim in that. Let's go to the next one. Okay guys, last two vocab for you. As you can see here, this is a pier or a jetty. And there was one vocabulary that I wanted to give you today, and it has been very elusive. I wanted to find you a monitor lizard in the wild. But every time I saw one, I got my camera out, it swam away. So this is a monitor lizard. They can get very big in Thailand and they can give you a nasty bite, but they do tend to run away. Okay guys, so that's the end of our little field trip for today. We went to Bangkok and I would like to thank Mr. Shaun Doing Stuff, who is holding the camera very nicely for me at the very moment. So thank you very much, Shaun. I have a link in the description to his channel. He is out doing stuff around Bangkok, hence the name, Shaun Doing Stuff. Please give him a follow, send him some likes, go and watch some of his videos. He is a lovely guy. Very different channel from mine, but he is a very good friend. So thank you very much for watching this video to the end. If you would like to see another video, click here and YouTube will recommend a video that it thinks that you want to see. And until next time, I'll see you later. You guys still here? The video's finished. Go home. Don't go home. Watch more of my videos. See you later.